Alright, let's see what we can do this year. This is about the size of the original Parrot Tree. It's got the original ornaments on it, this little decos with stickers. That's about how big it all started. And of course I have the, oops, there they are. Now I can see them. There are little stockings down there. There's the tree, little tree. There's my Christmas macaw up there. There's Reiki baby. She's our director. I opened her cage door to see if she wanted to come out, but nah. And then I have Miss Gray. Hi, Grace. And here's the Parrot Tree. 2011. Oh, here comes the director. Scary people perimeter. Keep everybody away. See if I can get a little closer. Grace, you have anything to say? Huh? Anything at all? There's the stockings that used to be on their cages. I gave that battle up this year. Grace, what do you think? See how our director's doing? Hey, baby girl. You like your tree? Huh? You like your tree? Nice bow. You gonna take a bow? Good. Good. Pretty. Oh my. Very nice. Good job. You did it all yourself, didn't you? So there we have it. 2011. The Parrot Christmas Tree. Oops. Nice. Nice, Reiki. Good bow. Good bow. Woo! Good bow. Hi, Miss Gray. You want to do your trick? Huh? Mad at the world? Too early for you? What? Stick 'em up. Stick 'em up. Yeah, good job. Thank you.